Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a little how-to video for you guys, and it's going to be a how to fake calligraphy or get the calligraphy look. I think this style is so pretty. I use it for a number of things, whether it just be quotes or a birthday card for somebody, but I'll also use it in a lot of my paintings and embroidery. You can use it on chalkboards, wedding DIYs, just all kinds of stuff. And this video was actually voted for by you guys. It got second place in my poll on Instagram for what video do you guys want to see next. If you want to be a part of these polls, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It is at Jamie.Photo, and let's get on to the video. So the first step is going to be to write what you want in cursive. A good tip to follow is to keep the cursive more open than you normally would. See, with the F and the O, I'm not actually connecting them fully, and you'll see why in step 2. Because on each downstroke we actually want to add a second line to make it thicker. So that's why we're leaving those gaps there, so that we can add dimension and give it that calligraphy look. And I'm drawing each step again so that you can really see what it's gonna look like. And step 3 is just to color those in and make sure that you blend them very well with the next loop so that each downstroke fades and looks natural, as if your pen did it on its own. And I'm using a felt tip marker, but you can also just use a regular ballpoint pen, a mechanical pencil if you want, colored pencils, paint, anything along those lines. And these 3 steps look as if I wrote them on lined paper, but if you want to play around with it a bit more, you can actually add more dimension by following a rule of basically going up and down. I did it only slightly in this next example here, and I outlined the movement that I did. It's very slight, but it's more noticeable than the other option. You basically write one letter, go down for the next one, then up, then down, and repeat that process. And you can totally have fun with it and go way more extreme than this example. The next technique is just to drag out the spacing in between your letters, make it very long. This is similar to the tattoo that I have. It's a super delicate and cute style, and I love doing this to my fonts. And this last clip is just me drawing out my thumbnail. I'm gonna go over a few more tips for you here though. So if you're not comfortable starting in pen, I suggest writing just the cursive bit in pencil and then trace over it in pen and add the downstrokes in pen as well. You can also mix your fonts. I love pairing calligraphy style with plain text, and then just have fun with it. Mix different styles. You don't need to add downstrokes to every single one of your cursives. As long as you're keeping it open, it will still look like calligraphy. You can add different patterns instead of filling them in solid, like I added the stripes, and just get creative. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you know every time I upload. And just in case you guys didn't know, my new upload days are going to be Wednesdays and Saturdays, so I'm going to be uploading twice a week now because I have a lot of fun video ideas for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what little crafty how-to video you would like to see next. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.